everybody, welcome to my channel Grammar Fun. My name is Jaya and we will be learning grammar together. Today we are going to look at chapter number 8, Verbs. To begin with, what is a verb? A verb is an action word. So something what you do is called a verb. Verbs are of two types, transitive and intransitive. Now let us see what is transitive and what is intransitive. Now, if you take a verb and if that verb has an object, meaning if it needs an object to complete its meaning, then that is transitive. If it does not have an object, it does not need the object, then that is intransitive. If you look at the example, Kunal reads a book. Reads what? You ask the question what, you will get the object. So reads what? A book. So there is an object. So when there is an object, that is transitive. Karan plays in the evening. Plays what? There is no answer for what. But plays when? Then in the evening. We don't want the answer of when. We want the answer of what. Plays what? There is no answer. That means there is no object. So then that is intransitive. Now let us look at subject and object complement. A group of words added to make a complete thought is called a complement, not the object. A group of word which is added, it can be describing the subject or it can be describing the object. So these group of words are called complement. There are two types of complements, subject complement and object complement. When the complement describes the subject, that is called subject complement, and when it describes the object, it is called object complement. If you look at the word, we feel sleepy. Feel what? That's not a word, actually that is an adverb. So it's about we. So sleepy is about the subject. So that is a subject complement. Neeta made Vinita learn French. So French is about the object Vinita. So then that is object complement. Now we have two more types of verbs, that is auxiliary verbs and modals. Auxiliary verbs and modals, these are helping words which are used along with the main verb. So auxiliary verbs are an, is, are, was, were, do, does, did, has, have, had. And the modals are will, would, can, could, shall, should, may, might, must, ought, need, dare, used to. Next we will look at finite and infinite verbs. So I hope you remember our golden rule of subject-verb agreement. If the subject is singular, verb will be singular. If the subject is plural, verb will be plural. So when the subject or when the verb changes according to the subject, in the sentence, if the verb changes according to the subject, then that verb is called finite verb. For example, I love to watch a movie. Now here we have love and we have watch. But if you change the subject I to she loves. Only love will change. Watch will remain the same. So the verbs that changes according to the subject is called finite verbs. Infinite verbs are verbs that do not change according to the subject. So infinite verbs are of three types. One is infinitive, that is to plus verb, as you saw in the above example. I love to watch. So love is finite and to watch is infinitive. Then we have gerund and participle. Gerund is verb plus ing, where verb plus ing, it is a noun. So gerund is actually a noun which is in the form of a verb. Participles is also verb plus ing, but it is acting as a verb. For example, if I say, I love swimming, or I am swimming in the pool. So here you are doing it. Swimming, you are doing it. So that is participle because it is acting as a verb. But if you say swimming is a good exercise, Here you're telling about swimming. You're talking about swimming. So then that is a noun and that is a gerund. So I hope you have understood the chapter. This is the end of the chapter. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.